having been duly elected to the position of position of the Municipal Mayor of Inabanga, Bohol, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, and of all others, that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, Mayor Dexter.
Okay, congratulations once again, newly elected and newly sworn in Municipal Mayor of